Ugh. Why do people hate Sonic Boom so much? Oh. Hey guys, Seven here, and I'm gonna talk about why you guys hate Sonic Boom so much. Well, if you hate it so much, then stop buying it. And guess what, guys? If you keep buying the Sonic Boom games, then Sega and all the other people will keep making these games. So, stop buying the games! If you stop buying games, then Sega won't make any Sonic Boom games anymore. They'll just start making modern Sonic games like Sonic Lost World, and there's so many Sonic Boom kind of stuff there. Toys, plushes, action figures, comic books, a show, like 4 games of Sonic Boom. Just, God, there's so much stuff that you can have of Sonic Boom. And I tell you, it is a good game. Now I'm acting like Sammy Classic Sonic again. But anyways, let me think. Stop buying the games if you hate them. Oh my God. Oh, anyways, you guys know. I'll say that for the end of the video. It'll be a secret. Click somewhere on the screen for Sammy Classic Sonic Band's video. So, anyways, happens. I can just say one thing. If you keep playing these games, then they'll stop making them. I mean, seriously, they're probably gonna make huge stickers like those Mario stickers right there, or those toys, or even a bag. Maybe again a type of Sonic the Hedgehog, Sonic Boom food like they did last time back then. That was weird. Anyways, God! Seriously, stop buying these games and we'll stop making them! That's why you should always rent them for free first, Sega, and then let the people decide if it's good or not. Then you can put it on sale. God. And that's not it's not the only thing that's wrong with it. I another name. That's wrong. I can just say these words. Stop playing the game. Come on. And the other thing. Get it over me. Let's not think it was three. They're gonna keep making a bunch of stuff out of Sonic Boom if you keep liking it and playing it and watching the shows. I mean, seriously, there's a huge comic book series of Sonic the Hedgehog. Of Sonic the Hedgehog, the classics version, the modern Sonic, and now Sonic Boom. And there's a TV show with another season coming out this 2016. Come on, guys. Like, let me just count out how many things there are of Sonic Boom. 4 games, 1 for the mobile, a bunch of comic book series, toys, that's it. I think that's it. But if they make more, then it's not that. Oh, and the TV show. That's 7. That's how much you guys like the game or like Sonic Boom and hate it. This is how many people hate the game. However, this is also how many people like the game. So, if you guys hate the game and Sonic Boom so much, buying it. By God. Oh, and also, they're making plushes out of it, so you might see some of that coming soon. You know, Sonic Boom plushes. Sonic Boom. And Sonic Boom, Sonic and Tails, those plush adventures. Sonic Boom style. They're making plushes, and so, hey, why don't I do that? So, if you guys don't want to, if you guys hate it, then say, heck no. If you guys do like it, then say, heck yeah. But that's not important right now. What is important is, stop buying the game if you hate it so much. Look at Mario. He's doing so good. Look at him. Look at him. He's doing so good. Even Wario is better. Come on. It's Wario. Wario. And, actually, there hasn't been that much Mario games lately. Oh, and Sega, please just make your own console for once. Just almost every single game company does that. They make their own games and put them on their own console. But Sega wants to advertise Nintendo. I thought they were rivals. Mario and Sonic are rivals. Now they're not. Well, I guess the picture of Mario vs. Sonic doesn't matter anymore. But you guys are gonna just stop playing the game if you hate it so much. That is all for now. I will see you guys in a next video. Bye! Okay, bye.